So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about the interview round 1 for Amazon's different processes like customer service, virtual customer service, virtual technical service, Tron Associate, LMAC Associate and many other positions. The name of this round is English Grammar or Verbal Reasoning Test. Here you will be given 20 questions and you will have to solve it in 25 minutes. So I have compiled a list of 20 tricky questions that have been asked in the past in the real Amazon tests. So we will be discussing about these questions in this video. So it will be very helpful to you if you are going to apply for Amazon's test. So let's start off today's video with first the details about this test. So in this test the total number of questions are 20 and they are of basically four types. Type 1 is error detection, where you will be given sentences and you have to detect error in those sentences, in which sentence the error is. Next is the fill in the blanks, which will comprise of the majority of questions, which is number 10. And then there will be sentence arrangement. So sentences will be given to you in some random order and you have to arrange them to make them a meaningful and coherent sentence or a paragraph. And type 4 will be sentence correction, where again the sentences will be given and you have to correct them. So your English grammar skills will be checked in the test. So this is the breakup: 20 questions, 3, 10, 4 and 3 and 25 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first give you these questions. So I will strongly suggest you to have a pen and a paper with you so that you can first answer these questions and check with what the answers is, which I'll show you later and I'll explain you why that answer is correct. So now we move on to the actual test, where the first question is for type 1 error detection. Here you will be given four different statements to take part in the medical camp. First statement: all the students of our institute. Second, third and fourth. So this is a full sentence and you have to tell where there is error in the sentence, in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, or there is no error. So you have to answer this accordingly. So what I'll do is I'll just wait for 5 seconds, and if you are not able to answer in that time frame, you can pause this video and mark your answer accordingly so that you can check later. Now moving on to the second question in the same error detection types, where there you will be given again four different sentences which combine to make a full sentence, and you have to tell where there is error or there is no error. If there is no error, you have to mark E. So next one, again the same type of question. Whenever I am first sentence in a bad situation, second I take an advice quote from my grandfather, and then no error. You have to tell where there is error. So these are the type 1 of questions. 3 questions will be there. Next we move on to the type 2 questions, which consist of fill in the blanks, and I have covered all the ones that are very tricky here. So the first is: a good judge never jumps dash the conclusion. So the options are to, at, on or for. So which one is the correct answer that you have to tell? Second, a light breeze dashed the forest fire and made it more dangerous. Options: blew, ignited, fanned, lit. Next question, conservationists in South Africa dash a slightly awkward way of moving rhinos in order to protect them from poaching threats. So option A: have been coming up with, has become, have come up with, would have had come to. Next question, President Saddam Hussein has lived dash the gun throughout his life. Option A with, B by, C for, D on. Moving on to the next one. My uncle was afflicted dash a serious illness and was almost confined dash bed dash more than 2 months. So three fill in the blanks are there in one question. So you have to tell which of these four options is correct. The boy killed the spider dash a shoe with, by, for or from. Next one. It is dangerous to intrude dash the enemy's camp. In, into, by, from. I arrived dash time to have some coffee before the meeting started. In, on, by, at. I have been living in London dash 5 years. From, since, for, by. Next one. He was the first Asian to swim across the English dash. And next is dash all your anger in getting the job done. So this is another kind of fill up where the same word will come in both the fill in the blanks. So you have to choose which one is fitting in both the sentences. Canal, river, stream or channel. Now we come up to the sentence rearrangement type questions where sentences will be given to you A, B, C and D, but they are not in particular order. So you have to tell what is the correct order. BCAD, CBDA, DBAC or ACBD. So you can spend more time on these questions because they take time to think. You can spend more than 1 minute on these questions. But I am moving forward. You can pause the video and write your answer. Another type for sentence rearrangement is that first sentence is fixed for you. The guesses append the first sentence and then you have to tell what will be the correct sequence afterwards. So 5 sentences are given. A, B, C, D, E. To the planet's normal is A. Next B, C, D and greenhouse effect permitting is E. So what is the correct option here? The first gases append is fixed. After that we have to tell what will be the sequence. Next is again sentence rearrangement types but bigger sentences which form a meaningful paragraph rather than a sentence. So 5 sentences are given to you. John was therefore busy the whole day but he took no notice of him. So these are 5 and then you have to rearrange them so that it forms a coherent paragraph. And a similar question for this one, sentence rearrangement, but an even bigger sentence and a paragraph will be there. So this is how the level of questions will increase. So here again 5 sentences are there and then you have to arrange them so that it forms a coherent paragraph. So what will be the correct option from A, B, C, D? Next is the sentence correction type. So here a full sentence will be given to you and the part of the sentence where there is error will be highlighted to you and then 4 options will be given to you so as to what can replace that particular line of that sentence. So in this first one, I am waiting for you is the sentence where there is error. So the full sentence is I am waiting for you since 10 a.m. in the morning and you have arrived now in the afternoon. So 4 options are there. First is the same, I am waiting for you. That means there is no error. I had been waiting for you, I have been waiting for you, or I was waiting for you. So you have to tell which is the correct option here. Now moving on to the next one. Trying to keep her balance on the icy surface. This is a fixed statement where there is no error. Now the other statement there could be error. The last competitor's ski tip caught the pole and somersaulted in the soft snow. So you have to tell from these 4 options which one is likely to replace the line which is highlighted in red color so that the full sentence becomes correct. Now the last question in the same sentence correction category. The woodland subspecies were, this is the sentence where the error could be, in isolation from contact with humans longer than either their marsh cousins or their tree dwelling subspecies. So now friends, I hope you would have marked all your answers by now. And if in case we haven't, you can go back to the questions again and mark your answers so that you can check what the actual answers are. So now I am moving to the answer part. So for the first question, there is error in the first sentence, to take part in the medical camp, because it should be to take part in a medical camp. So the rule here is a or an is used with a singular count noun when you mean one of many or any in general, and the is used when the meaning is specific or when the noun names the only one. As an example, Adam was the first man, so he was the only first man. So this cannot be said in terms of medical camp, because there could be many medical camps. So there could be an any medical camp to take part in a medical camp. So that is why there is error in the first sentence. Second one, excess weight is the result of unhealthy eating habits, which are inherent risk factors responsible for many diseases. So here the correct option is there is no error. This is correct, but many candidates, write that there is error in the first sentence because they think that it should be excessive weight is the result of, but that is not the case. They both mean the same thing. It's just that excess is used when there is more than normal, necessary, or specified limit, while excessive is exceeding the usual bounds of something. So both excess and excessive are correct here. So the whole sentence is correct. Next one, whenever I am in a bad situation, I take an advice from my grandfather. So this is the sentence. So here, please, sorry, the correct option is C. The error is in third sentence. I take an advice. So an advice is incorrect because advice, when used as a single word, is uncountable. An is used for countable nouns like an apple, something like that. And many students get it wrong because advice starts from A, and before A, E, I, O, U, you use an. But here, since it is advice, you should not use an. You can write some advice or a bit of advice, but you cannot write an advice. So that is why the third option is incorrect. So a good judge never jumps dash the conclusion. So this is a very tricky question, and even many of the websites have written wrong answer for it. But I have got the correct one for you. It should be two. So there is a lot of confusion between two and at. Many students write at for this question, but the correct answer is two, because two is referred when there is movement or direction. So the flow of this sentence is such that it seems that there is movement, because it is written never jumps. So jumps is there. So because of that, it should be to the conclusion, because there is clearly movement or direction. Whereas at is used when it is a fixed place and time. So the right one is a good judge never jumps to the conclusion. Next is a light breeze fanned the forest fire and made it more dangerous. So it could not be ignited or lit, because ignited or lit is used when you make fire out of nothing, but there is already fire and the light breeze is fanning it and making it more dangerous. It cannot be blue because it is saying that it is becoming more dangerous, so it is increasing. So fanned is the right word. Conservationists in South Africa dash a slightly awkward way of moving, so it should be have come up with. Many students get confused and write have been coming up with, but have been coming up with would have been used if they would have written awkward ways of moving forward. Rhinos. Since there is an awkward way only, so have come up with, because they have come up with a final way. President Saddam Hussein has lived by the gun all his life. So many students here also get confused and they write with the gun. But with is wrong here. If Because by the gun is a phrase in itself, which means that somebody lives by the gun and they use the force of gun to get their work done. So this is a phrase, that is why it should be by the gun. If it would have been written, President Saddam Hussein has lived a gun all his life, so you could have written with a gun, but by the gun is a phrase. So here, my uncle was afflicted dash a serious illness. So it should be the third correct option. With should be there. Many students get confused and write by here. By a serious illness, which seems correct. But by is used for temporary illness. But here it is clearly written that it is a serious long-term illness. So it should be with. Because with serious and long-term illness they use with. And other two are confined to bed for more than 2 months. Moving on to the next one. The boy killed the spider dash a shoe. So the right is with a shoe. So again students get confused here and write by a shoe. But we use by when we say what we do to get a result. We use with when we say what we use to get a result. So here clearly we are using a shoe to get the result, which is to kill the spider. So it should be with, not by. It is dangerous to intrude into the enemy's camp. So here also many people write in the enemy's camp, but into should be there because into is used when again there is movement. So here you are intruding, so there is movement. So it should be into. 11. I arrived dash time to have some coffee before the meeting started. So here also many people get confused and write I arrived on time. But this is not right. It should be in time. On time is used when you arrive just on time. So in time is used when you arrive before time. So here clearly it is written to have some coffee before the meeting started. So the person has already arrived before time. So hence in should be used. I have been living in London dash 5 years. So the right option is for. Many people write since 5 years, but since is wrong here because for is used where there is duration of time. So clearly there is duration of time 5 years. Since is used when there is starting point. So if the sentence would have been I have been living in London for, and here it would have written 2012. So it will be I have been living in London since 2012. Then since would have been used. But here clearly the amount of time is given 5 years. So for should be there. So this is the other type of filler where one word fits both. So here the correct option is channel. He was the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. Next, channel all your anger in getting the job done. And now these are the sentence rearrangement types. So for the 14th question, the option is CBDA. And the sentence is it was a town of machinery and tall chimneys out of which interminable serpents of smoke trailed themselves forever and ever and never got uncoiled. So this is the right flow of the sentence. The gases append to the planet's normal greenhouse effect, permitting sunlight in but stopping some of the ensuing heat from burning back into the space. So here correct option is AECDB. You can check if you have got it correct. Now again sentence arrangement but for more complex questions. So here the correct option is CADBE. So this one comes for a lot of work had to be finished that day. John was therefore busy the whole day. His PM reminded him that he had not eaten, but he took no notice of him. By evening, he began to feel very hungry. So this is the logical sequence. So CADB is the right one. Now for this one, the correct is EDCBA. EDCBA, just the opposite way. For 18th, I am waiting for you. You have to tell which should be correct. I am waiting for you. I had been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you. Or I was waiting for you. Now this is also a very tricky question, and the right one option here is I had been waiting for you, because had been waiting means you were waiting in the past but are now not waiting now. So it is clearly written since 10 a.m. in the morning and you have arrived now in the afternoon. So the person has arrived and he is not waiting now but was waiting since 10 a.m. in the morning. So I had been waiting for you. Have been is used when you were waiting in the past and your waiting is still in progress. So have been cannot be there. Was waiting is used when the task has been completed in specified time frame. So it could have been correct if it was written I was waiting for you yesterday. Then it would have been correct. I am waiting for you means I am at a place and I am still waiting for you and you haven't come. But here the person has come. So this is also wrong. I had been waiting for you is the right one. 19. Trying to keep her balance on the icy surface. The last competitor, this one. So this is the correct. The last competitor caught the pole with the tip of her ski and somersaulted into the soft snow. So in is wrong. It should be into because again there is motion and direction. So into should be used, and the sentence is also reframed because uh, ski tip caught the pole should be wrong because ski tip is not somersaulting. The person is somersaulting. So this is the right way to write the sentence. So last one, the woodland subspecies were in isolation from contact with humans longer than. So in isolation should not be there because they have written past tense. It should be isolated. Isolated from contact with humans longer than this. So these were the questions and answers, and I hope you would have understood many concepts of grammar. And even if Amazon asks you different questions, you can apply these concepts and get the correct answers for you. And friends, if this video has been useful for you, please like this video because I have spent a lot of time in researching about these questions. So at least give me one like for that. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I will have more videos for you in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till